Nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania's Anthracite coal region, Eckley Miners Village stands as a living testament to the hardworking families who built their lives around the mining industry. Now, thanks to a major restoration project by the Pennsylvania Historical and Museum Commission, a key piece of that history is being brought back to life: the iconic coal breaker. The breaker was once the heartbeat of mining operations, where coal was crushed, sorted, and prepared for transport. While Eckley's original breaker was lost over time, the structure currently standing on site is actually a movie prop built for the 1970 film The Molly Maguires, starring Sean Connery. Now this ambitious multi-million-dollar project will reconstruct a historically accurate version of the 1915 breaker, restoring a vital piece of the village's history. The first phase of the project begins this winter with site clearing and regrading, paving the way for construction of a new state-of-the-art facility. But this isn't just about preserving history, it's about enhancing the visitor experience. The new breaker will serve as a dynamic museum piece housing a climate-controlled collection storage facility to protect and showcase important artifacts from Pennsylvania's mining past. From mining tools to personal items used by coal miners and their families, this new facility will help preserve and share those stories of those who lived and worked here. Funded through the Commonwealth Capital Project funds, this project is a significant step toward preserving one of the last remaining company patch towns in America. With every restored building and every carefully preserved artifact, Eckley Miners Village continues to stand as a bridge between the past and present, a place where history is not only remembered, but brought back to life for generations to come. To follow the progress of this incredible restoration, visit the Pennsylvania Historical and Museum Commission online, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, I'm Not Lost, I'm Exploring, where I'll be bringing you updates on this project and more adventures into Pennsylvania's rich history.